Hi everyone. Today we are going to build training and learning tracker dashboard in Power BI. So to build Darino training and learning tracker dashboard in Power BI, what I have done here is that I have prepared the data set. So this is the data set like employee data and training status data and date data. Okay. So in employee data, you could see this. I have mentioned like employee ID, then employee name, department, role, and joining date. Okay, and also I have put certain values and count. So around 50 rows are there. Okay, so 50 rows are there. In this table you could see this in training status data, like count this 1000 count. Okay, so I have prepared, and if you see the training data, so it is having training ID, then training name, right, category, like it is technical leadership, soft skills, and like it is technical leadership or soft skills. If you check the level, like it is advanced level, intermediate level, or beginner level. Okay, so these are the category levels I have put. Duration hours, okay, like it is 9 hours, 1 hour, 9 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, whatever it is. So I have put the random data. Now training status data, so if you see this here, then I have mentioned here as employee ID, then training ID, then assigned date when this course or training it was assigned to the particular person. Okay, particular person, and what was the completion date. Okay, so completion date is also there, and if it is completed, okay, then a status I have marked as completed. If it is not, then it is marked as pending. Now learning hours, what was the learning hours and what was the score, like so we check the score, right? So this is the data, these are the data which I have prepared. And if you check the date data, so in date data also I have, it's a normal one, like date, month, year, quarter, week, and days of week. Okay, so like the data I have mentioned over here. Now what I have to import the data, what we will do here is that we will click in the Excel workbook, and then this is our data set. So I'm going to select this. Once it is selected, so what will happen at this Excel, okay, and whatever the tables it has, it is showing here, right? We have 5 tables over there in Excel. You might have observed 4 tables. Okay, so we have here 4 tables: employee data, training status data, and data data, right? So same you would find that. Click on load. So once we click on load, so what will happen, pop-up will appear where load, see this, waiting for other queries and data creating connection in models and all that. So it is happening by default. Now what will happen here is that all data, you could see this on right hand side, top of the right corner, the tables are reflecting. Top of the right corner, so you could see this, tables are reflecting, all tables are reflecting. Now this is the first step which we have completed. Now second step is that I always say in every videos that second step is to click on transform data. We have to go for checking the data types and other values as well. So this is must to do it. Okay, so we have to click on transform data. Once you click on transform data, so this is the Power Query editor. Okay, now in date data, you could see this is the date, but also here timing is reflecting, and where I do not see anywhere time is there, right? So we have to click here and we have to change the data type. Okay, this is the data type. So as of now it is selected as date and time, but we have to select as date. Okay, so it will convert, replace current one, so it will convert into date. Now this one is okay. Similarly, we have to check for employee data. So employee ID, employee name, department, role, and joining date. So we have to change this to date. Okay, replace current one. Then training data again. So training ID, duration, it is okay. Training status data. So here we have assigned a date. So it should be in date format. And then we have completion date. So currently it is selected as date and time. So we have to select as date. Okay. So we are done with transforming the data. Now what we have to do, we have to click on close and apply. That's all. Now second part is completed. Now third part is that we have to check the modeling part. So this is very much important, and let's check the modeling part. So as I have already explained that modeling part, like cardinally modeling part, like snowflake schema and star schema. So I would put the link of that, and please check that video, star schema, snowflake schema, so that what will happen, that you will have the clarity to what is called a star schema, what is called a snowflake schema, so that while doing the modeling or creating the relationship, you will able to understand what kind of a relationship you have to create. Is it star schema or should it be snowflake schema? Okay, so here you could see this the training ID and training ID is already connected. Okay, relationship is already made. Now another one, you could see this employee ID and employee ID, 10 years status data and employee data, it is connected, right? Now what we have to do here is that we have date here, this date, 10 years status date, and in this column date is there. So I'm going to make this as relationship, training assigned date to date. Okay, many to one and single. Click on save. So see this, it is connected now, right? Report view, and let's start building the dashboard here. So now select the dark color. Okay, not dark color, it means gray color, 20% gray color. So I'm going to make it like this. Okay, and here we are going to on this color, background color, we are going to develop our dashboard. So first thing, I'm going to click here text box. Okay, training dashboard tracker training and learning. Okay, now let's choose the normal one, and then font should be this. Let's make it 20. Okay, bold, and it should be, if I put this, let's put it in the middle, and the subtitle I do not have, so I'm not going to use subtitle. Then click on effect, background color should be this. Okay, and the visual border, so you can enable the visual border color is this, so I can select this color as well, no problem. Rounded corners, yes, I want to have rounded corners. And then shadow, yes, definitely I want to have shadow, so shadow is okay outside. Put this left side here, training and learning tracker dashboard. Okay, this is done. We can put this in this manner, or we can have likewise as well. Okay, and then with this card, what exactly I want to show, like I want to show the total training hours, completed training hours, right? Then pending trainings and average learning hours. Okay, so for that, okay, what we have to do, we have to write the DAX queries. So let's start writing the DAX queries for that. Okay, I'm going to create a new table where I'll be writing this DAX queries, and it would be under one place, so that it would be very easy to drag and drop. So DAX table. Okay, and click on load, and here the table is created. Now here what I'm going to do, this one, DAX table. Let's click on new measure, and after click on new measure, so you have to put the name first. So total sum method. Okay, sum method, then we have training status and learning hours. This is the column. Okay, now close it. So this is total learning hours. Similarly, we will create new measure where we will put total trainings, right, equal to count rows, this method. Then we have to select training status table, right? So let's select total. We are done with this. Now coming to pending trainings. Okay, so we have to write the DAX queries for pending trainings. So pending trainings equal to, so this would be open parenthesis, then count rows Okay, so we have training status, close parenthesis, comma, training data. We have status column, status, we have to select equal to double inverted pending. Okay, close this one. We have to write completed trainings. Okay, so I'm going to copy this DAX queries, and what we have to do, we have to click on this new, and we are going to put here. So here we are going to mention completed trainings. Okay, sorry, completed trainings. Okay, so this would be a status, and here completed. Done. Completed. So this is the completed. Now we are going to write next DAX queries, which will be completion rate percentage equal to so we are going to use divide method, then open this one and completed trainings. First we are going to select completed trainings, then comma, open this total trainings. Okay, total trainings, and then put the 0 and close parenthesis. Then we are done with this. Okay, average learning hours equal to average method. We are going to select average method. Then we have training status. Okay, and learning hours. This is our learning hours, close parenthesis. So we are done with this. Now start writing, start dragging. Use this card instead of that. Okay, now total learnings. So we are enter and put this here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to change the format. Callout values, it should be this 20 bold black. Now go to category, this should be this 12 is okay, bold, and we have to select black, right? So this one is done. Let's copy this, copy paste here again. Okay, and one more time. Done. I'll select, go to effect, and it should be 7 to C4. Okay, this I want to select. Right, now pending one, pending color code, I want to select here as this. Okay, and this I want to select here as right now. So this should be equal to this. Now these are reflecting correctly, fine, right? Now let's go ahead and have to change the values here. So total training, it was total training, right? We have to show is this as completed trainings. Okay, then we have to show pending trainings. Okay, this pending trainings. Then this would be completion rate we can show, or other one also completion rate. Okay, So first total trainings, then we are showing completed trainings, then pending trainings and completion rate. Now let's move forward and let's use the visual, another visual, to show the data like department wise completion rate. Okay, so I'm going to use stacked column chart for this, to show the department wise completion rate. Okay, we have department from employee data, and then we have status in we can use status from this table, status. Okay, and then we can use. Okay, now it is showing here as, so we have selected values, x-axis department, then y-axis completion rate, and legends status. Okay, so department wise completion rate we are showing. So this is the department like finance, operation, IT, sales and HR, and here completion rate like 1 2 3, and here completed or pending. So these are the color which is reflecting. Okay, so you could say this, open this little bit, come here, and what would be the background would be our standard one. So I'm going to select our background this, and now visual x-axis. So in x-axis what we have to do, select the standard one, this 12, make it 12, bold, and it should be black, right? Then title, we have title, so it should be this one, 12 is okay, black. Let's select the complete black. Okay, now layout, so this is okay. Go for y-axis because we have the values in y-axis, values, then this make it 12 and bold, and it should be black, right? So here it is reflecting. Now go for title, so we have to select this font, 12 is okay, bold, and it should be complete black. Okay, now coming to legend, as we have put data in legends, right? So text is this, and this would be bold and complete black. Now what we are going to do here, title is also there, so status, it is reflecting as a status, right? So status is okay. We are not. Now this values, if you want to show, we can show the data labels as well. And then we have the title, so title we can enable it, right? Completed, and this one. Now let's go for more, and here this format, and make it 12. Okay, bold, and it is reflecting as this. Then coming to values, click here, color is so values, it is okay. Labels, okay, let's enable total labels as well. Background for total labels, nothing. Now coming to, this is done. Check the title. Okay, so department wise completion rate we want to show, department wise. Remove this one. Okay, and this would be okay, and let's make it black, and it should be middle, and so type, and then we have visual border, so color is selected this one, right? So here also I'll select the same color, and then we have shadow, enable the shadow outside. This is done. Data format, it is also. So here we are showing the completed color code orange, and pending color code as blue. So here also I'm going to select the same color code. Okay, so this would be the okay one, because color should match, right? This one, now it is matching, right? Pending trainings and pending trainings. So this should be white text color. Okay, so call this values, and put this white. Now this is okay, all are matching, right? Now completed trainings, and pending trainings, and this is looking good. Okay, see this. So the first part of the this is done. We are showing the department wise completion rate. Now let's use another visual. So another visual would be, let's copy and paste so that we will not have to do the formatting again and again. So copy and paste. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll put this here, and let me convert to donut chart. This is our donut chart, and here I want to show the top 5 courses. Okay, top 5 courses here. I'm going to remove these values, this and this. So I'm going to select the training IDs. Okay, this is training ID, and what we have to do, this should be no values, and training name. Okay, so this is our training name. Okay, so and we can use, now come here and filter. Okay, so training ID is there, training name is there. So what, click on apply filter. So now this is done, right? Data is reflecting top 5 courses by training IDs. Okay, and let's change the title first. Okay, so go to here, title, and I am saying that top 5 courses by completion. Okay, so okay, this is the title. Now what we can do here is that we are showing the top 5 courses. If you want to go and this is okay, values, if I go ahead, so if I select this, bold, make it black, right? Now the values are reflecting. We are done with this. Now moving ahead, and let's create another one. So let's the table one. So what I'm going to do here is that, let me copy this visual, let me paste it. Okay, and this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert into table visual. Okay, and here I'm going to remove this fields first. Now let's add first employee name. So we have employee name here. Now let's add department. So we have department. Now let's add training name. So we have training name here. Then we can add status. So here we have status. Then we can add learning hours. So we have total learning hours, right? Total learning hours. Okay, score also we can add. We have the score one here. So that's all. Now in tables, right? Now we can do the formatting for this tables. Okay, we can do the formatting for this table. So let's select, and style, how you want to show, default one or something else. So we can select, if I select context. Okay, this does it look good? I think it looks good. Okay, now let's go to grid, color. So color should be black. Now vertical grid lines, yes, color should be black. And then borders. Okay, if I select this, all of them, color I want to have this only. Options, nothing is required. Now go to values. So we have to select the values as this is our standard one. Then 12, let's select 12. Okay, and then bold. Text color, how you want to show. So I want to show the black. Background color, how I want to show. I want to show this. Alternate text color should be black. Alternate background color should be this. Now it is in one format, right? Now column headers also this format 12. Okay, and then we have this text is okay, background color is okay, good. Okay, now middle one. Now totals, we want to show the totals definitely, so total values are reflecting correctly, fine, there's nothing to be changed. Text color is white, and so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to make it text as white, okay, but background should be black, so it is matching with headers. Now a specific columns, okay, do we need to change anything? No, we are not changing. Cell elements, so this is also okay, not changing. Spark here, right? So total learning hours, let's click and spark line, so y-axis, and here I want to select learning hours and create. Okay, so you find spark lines here, right? Spark lines. Now let's go here and values, so let's select column 1, then it looks good. Okay, so this is how you can change the data colors, okay, for the spark lines. So we are done with this also, this vision, paste and I'll put it here. Here I'll remove these values first. Nothing is there, so first I want to add month. We have the date format, date column, so I'm going to use month, and then what I'm going to do here is that count of completed trainings. Okay, this is our count of completed trainings, and we can use departments, okay, department wise. Now let's do more formatting here. So this is there, we have to select this 12 and color should be black. Now it is reflecting. So title, similar for title, 12, color should be black, right? Now for similar for y-axis, values, it should be this 12, color code should be black. Now similar for title as well. Okay, we have to apply the similar method for title. Done. Shade area, okay, let's use the shade area as well. Color I want to use, area transparency is 60%, likewise. Mark, so I think we are done with this. Monthly completion trends, and here we have not used the title, so let's use the title here on, and we want to show this as what, detailed table, okay. Sum of month is not required, right? Like this is line chart, so we want to show the department and completed training hours, okay, department and completed training hours, okay. Formatting, sorry, so let's do the formatting. Let's do the formatting a little bit. So we have used monthly completion trends, so for monthly we have used x-axis as monthly, and completion training y-axis, and then we have used small multiples as departments. Okay, so this is the data which is reflecting. So to add the slices, I'm going to use this, and here, and this would be department. Let's mention the department, and format and paint, and slices setting vertical. Then we have to go slices header, so department it is okay. It should be font should be this, and bold, and it should be black. Okay, then we have border, we are not changing anything. Go to values, and it is this and black. It is reflecting, right? Let's copy and paste this and put this here. We can select a role as well, so like likewise we can show it. Okay, done. We have others one, like we can use. Let's copy and paste. So this time it should be a small one. And here I can show the data as let me see what I can show status. Okay, so let me remove this role status. Okay, so I'll make it as drop down. So it is reflecting, right? Done. So as you could see this, we are showing the data filters as well. Okay, like visuals are working or not. So if I select finance, everything is being changed, right? Data is getting changed. IT, operations, sales. If I select all, then if I go for role wise analyst only, see this, associate only, right? Managers, select all. Like if I go for only completed, okay, see this, pendings, right? Now here we have added training name. So this data is not moving, as you might have observed. We are showing the top 5 completions. Okay, so this data and nothing is being changed, right? So what we have to do, if we can apply other things as well, like status one here. Okay, now department, select all. Now if I go for pendings, changed, right? Completed, changed. Okay, all, like this one, if I remove analyst, so everything is working fine now, right? So I want to add that a bookmark page here, so that what will happen if I want to land to original state of the visualization, so I can directly land it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, insert, then button, or I can select this other as well. Okay, let's select button, or this. Let me put the format as this. Okay, now style is okay, text it should be refresh or clear. Okay, now it should be 12, and format would be this, bold, black. Done. So this is our button. Now what else I'm going to do is that What else I'm going to do? Click on view, bookmark, and bookmark. Okay, and rename this as clear all filters. Done. And come here, action. Let's select the bookmark and this. Now we are done with this. So like if I change anything here, like likewise, and if I want to land to original page, so we have to click on this button. So see this, we are coming back, right? So this is what the bookmark does. So we are done with this, right? We are done with this. So this is how you can develop the dashboard, training and learning tracker dashboard in Power BI. That's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.